in a day-to-day, hey, now I'm seeing measurements, right? I'm learning fractions and I'm doing it in the house while I'm cooking and making a cake. The child's going to enjoy that, okay? He's going to remember, hey, every time we cook, we're using fractions. Immediate application, okay? When you teach them, when I taught the children about algorithms, I taught them that this was a Muslim man, okay? So, and this is, oh, really? Al-Jabbar. We tell them, oh man, this is a Muslim. Wow, now they're, understanding Kemawiya from Kem, measurement, how much, And so when you start teaching them and seeing that, when you go through medical science, you see almost all of the medical instruments and everything come from Muslims, and how much came from Andalusia. So when you teach these particular things to the children in this fashion, they have a sense of presence there, and that's voided out in the schools, okay? And in fact, in my science book, I write, everything's a battle, everything we study is a battlefield of wars fought between the Muslims and the disbelieving hordes. Religion, cultures, times, and place have been wiped out with little trace.